Okay, so we have a new rider on ride number 2. We have Kyle, Nick, Evan, Kevin, Logan, Bryce, Dave, cameraman Mark.
2 strokes.
Today is the 16th of May, 2009. If you find this camera, please send it to Troop 599, Quartz Hill, California. If you find the body attached to it, send it too.
You're making me nervous.
This is our last ride, right?
Go forward 2 strokes.
Forward. Pull. We don't run into the water again, do we? Whoa! Kevin. Yep.
Anybody else want to jump in?
Up in.
Yeah, we're on. Up in,
Evan. Jump in.
There you go.
Yeah, you have to get it back out now.
Yeah, pull it in.
Practice. 1, 2. No,
Face
1,
towards
2.
him. Face him. You gotta face towards him.
Is it 1,
Face him.
2?
Face him. Put your body towards him. There you go.
There you
Now
go.
pull.
Now, 1, 2, 3. Now lean back. Throw your body weight back.
Come on.
Throw your body weight back. Kevin, hold.
There you go. Nice.
Nice. Good rescue. Join the crowd, buddy. Join the crowd.
Well, I was telling all these guys earlier, that's 50-50 right there, that hole that we went into, and those guys all kind of avoided it. Yeah, you can definitely hit a rounder a little bit more than we did.
I centered it.
We centered both straight, as center as you could. So, I was telling these guys earlier, that's a 50-50. Going in there, and yeah, we got to be the show.
We were the show, dude.
I didn't get to see. I didn't see the picture.
2.
Yeah.
Go forward 2 strokes.
Yeah. That's what we like to see, guys.
So cool in here, huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is what we like. Right to it. Yeah.
I did not see that come all the way over. No, I did not see that come all the way over.
I want to feel colder this time.
Alright, rock and roll coming up. Go forward 2 strokes. Forward 2 more.
Oh gosh. Oh! Much better, guys. Way to put the weight into it.
At lower water we get some bull riders, and that's pretty crazy too. At this water level I don't want anybody to do that one, but come back and we'll try a bull ride session. Get somebody sitting on the river up, just sitting up and where it says river on the boat. Just sit right there with your legs hanging over.
Okay, Kevin.
That's a rock. That's a rock and roll seat right there.
With all that little ring for your legs.
That's a hot
Yeah,
seat.
God, I bet.
Where do you see this hole that Jackson boys do? Let's go forward two. Forward two more.
I see something big coming.
Forward two.
Right there's the biggie. Pull it through, guys.
I jumped that hole.
See, we hit that big guy last time. That one right.
Yeah.
That was deep. That was the bottom of the river hit we hit there last time. We're just flying down this round. What I do? You can go around them, huh?
Let's not go through them. It's a little high to go through them.
Let's go back one stroke. Back it up. Let's go back one more. You were right there, though. Back one more.
Yeah, we're playing thread the
Forward,
needle here.
forward. Nice run.
Yeah. Nice, guys.
Little parallel parking there with a 14-foot boat. Oh, Ewing. That was the river ranger that picked you up. That was cool. That's my buddy Jason Boyer.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a great guy.
Like,
I think that's him surfing there too. He's actually surfing on that next wave down, the one that we swam through. It curls back on itself just like an ocean wave. I mean, it's like a 6 or 7 foot tall ocean wave.
Holy
So you
cow.
can just sit on it all day long. As long as you can surf, you can sit on it.
Wow.
Let's go forward 2 strokes. Jack's a little offline here too. Forward 2 more.
Come on, Tim.
Let's go forward 2.
Arm down at the flip, we'll do the same thing.
Forward 2. Forward 2.
Push, 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 push.
Forward 2. Forward.
Keep going.
Nice line. Nice line.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, boys. Oh, yeah.
Look at all these boats
Bring them
here.
up on the side. One boat taking it center drive.
They just missed all the waves there. Let's go forward 2 strokes.
Oh,
2 more. That was the perfect line there, boys.
We got it.
do it.
Good run. Good run.
Now they're all jealous.
And we didn't chicken out there. We still went for the mid there.
Right
It
through
just
it.
didn't curl up that time. You guys see the wave was like smooth the whole way that time.
Yeah, it didn't
This
pop
time
up.
was all closed in.
Yeah.
Last time it was like...
That was crazy. That was 50-50.
Cool.
We were just a little bit right of where we were last time, but
So we took the center part right then the whole time.
center line, yeah. Go forward 1 time.